Himalayas. The Himalayas stretches for
Show me.
2,400 kilometers
Show me.
from
How to
north
it?
to east.
Ah. How
They
many
act
kilometers?
as
How many kilometers?
2,400
2,400 kilometers. Show that one.
2,400 kilometers from north to west.
Yeah.
They act as a natural barriers and divided into three main ranges:
What are they?
Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik.
Did you understand?
First
Okay.
one is Himadri. It is also known as the Greater Himalayas,
Greater Himalayas.
the highest and northernmost range with an average height 6,100 kilometers.
You can observe that one. Which is the biggest?
Himadri.
Okay, na?
Many glaciers and rivers like Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna are found here. The second one is Himachal. Himachal, it is also known as the Middle and Lesser Himalayas. It lies between Himadri and Shivalik. Many famous hill stations like Shimla, Nanikhet, Mussoorie are found here.
Here, middle or
Middle.
middle. So that is the show me the Raniket.
Nanikhet,
Mussoorie.
Mussoorie, Shimla are found here.
Did you understand? That is the range names. Next.
The third one is Shivalik. It is also known as Outer Himalayas. It is the southernmost range with an average height 600 to 1,500 meters. It is made up of loose rocks and sediments, valleys called dunes, such as Dehradun.
Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Partly Dun.
Importance of Himalayas. They will protect our India from cold winds coming from Central Asia. The Himalayas helps to bring monsoon rainfall. And the conclusion is the Himalayas is not only a beautiful mountain ranges, it is also a lifeline of our country.
Did you understand? Lifeline of our country. Okay. Good. Very good. I will ask some more questions. So, west to east, how many stations, how many width do we have? Himalayas. 2,400 kilometers. Width?
500
500. Which? West or north? Northern part, how many?
500 kilometers.
Like this. So here. Then how many kilometers?
200 kilometers.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Next, how many parts are there?
3 parts.
First one.
Himadri.
So biggest in this part, Himadri. Did you understand?
Yes.
So I can ask some more questions. They made this one. Who did made?
B. Venkatesh.
Do you know this one? Okay. Do you say? Today we discussed the Himalayas only. So say